Do you believe in Duppies?
Watch it.
Just put in this. Not ready, man. Me not lie, but you put it already still. Your hands up, see?
Watch it.
Sure. To God, me not lie.
Watch it. Put them there, watch it. Watch it. Huh?
Them there, man. Jesus Christ. Give them some rum. A long time, them dead enough. Bumbuckler, them dead long time. And they still a work with you. But this for real. You know, so me that race now, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me the race big and fuck. Jesus Christ.
Pose.
What them gonna pose now? What this?
You're time to play.
Bumbuckler, them there. No, sir. Duppy so real. Yes, but mash up here now.
Never walk alone.
Not at all.
Watch a video. Yeah, she said the man Duppy. Come out time. Where the Duppy come from? Watch it. You see that? Where the Duppy they come from? Watch, you see that? You see that? You know the accident.
Yeah, so that is the picture. So if you look at the picture carefully, you can see an image. Now, while I was purchasing the yam, nobody never in a stall. Nobody whatsoever. If I sit down there, so nobody never sit down there, so nobody never in a stall. I don't know where it come from. I pose up in my picture. I don't know where he came from, posing up in my picture.
You see something just lingering, and then there you go. It slowly moved up the stairs and into the wall.
This man come drop right for my blood clot rum. The bumbuckler. Brother, the man come drop. Watch out.
Hold on.
Watch me bumbuckler. Where am I go?
Better blur now, picture this.
Brother, right on the side of the cup, man drop out the tree drop on the side of the cup, you know. Pussy clot, I first me see this, I know you not drop on the grave. Yeah, where I go? Watch out. Bumbuckler. Watch out.
boss can drink.
Bumbo clad.
No, know him.
The dog a drink.
This a video.
Watch out. The dog a drink, rum your fuck. Bumbo clad. Watch out.
Yo, call by so that. Travis.
Big bumbo clad.
Yeah, this a lizard yard boss. Watch your fucker.
Yeah.
You just get up and hold up your head like say, yo, I'm me a kingpin.
The blood clad.
I'm me a kingpin.
And then you just push your head in there and start drinking and then you see them
Bumbo clad.
A white light. See? I run on the wall. Gone in the road now, right at the gate. I come in the yard, on the wall to the right. Yeah. You see the light there, so? Boom, you must see it. See it I come running now. Cause people them say is a Duppy this where I come off a road, curfew catch him. But I don't know if it's a Duppy or is a good man, cause me never did this, so me never stop to see. But watch him I come here so now people. See there? And him I go right inside. You know, pull door. And you know, Duppy no pull door. You see that? Tell me what you think. What you think is a Duppy or is a gun man?
Look on the photograph upon my phone. Looking at the background. Tell me, you see something. This me not understanding me done. Something wrong as a man. Something wrong, yeah, so.
Yeah, remember when I tell you say, we take the picture with my baby, and it's something come up in the background like a Duppy or something. The beard me and my baby. You know, so I go run through all of my recent photos them, bro. All of them. All of my recent 47 of them. I'm a book up on that one again, dog. Like one Duppy demons in my background, like this dog. Right behind me, hombre.
It's a family, yeah. You don't want to kill a bad body like this. Broke your blood class gun. Broke it. How you feel like was big man to come out there, some man.
Come on, there's some man. Put him in the eye, daddy.
Yo, step in the eye, daddy.
Step in the face, daddy. Who don't I hate that attack, you know? Who don't I hate that?
Yeah, even watch it.
Spoon, come out, I want the spoon. I'm gonna kill him.
Do you believe now?
By the window.